Welcome back to our SUNNYSCOPA channel. We finally have a new product that you are waiting on. As you know, the Film-Free has two types, A and B. The one that I will be showing you today is the new type called multi-use. This new multi-use can be applied to a wider range of substrates with more simplified steps. To transfer the image, you can either dry naturally or cure with heat. You can apply on ceramics, glass, wood, plastics, plasters, metals, leather, just to name a few. Here is how it works. First off, you edit the image. The steps are quite similar to the type A and B. Print on the glossy, smooth side of the paper. Cut out the image while leaving a little margin. Put the image in water and take it out. Apply glue W2 on the substrate of interest. Then you'll see the backing starts to loosen and come off. Then mount the image face down on top. Remove the backing and you will only have the film left. Scrape off moisture and air with a squeegee. This part seems trivial, but it has a huge influence on the outcome. You can either choose to cure or dry naturally depending on the substrate. For curing, you can blow dry, microwave or use oven. Too much effort? Well, then you can just let it dry under the sun for 3 to 4 hours. Once the project has cooled down, remove the film. Remove the film. Bake in the oven at 180 to 250 degrees. You're good to go. I'll see you guys with more DIY videos next time. Bye for now. If you want more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.co.kr. You can also email us if you have any questions. I've put the email address down below.